So I close my code, then I store my program back. So that's what we are having. If I save this and I run it, you can see that I have, this is a float and the other one is a what? Is a bool. So that's how to define constants a in PHP programming word language. Then we have something called built-in. We have PHP built-in constant. Sometimes if you are writing a program, especially a server-side program, you may want to get the maximum size of your server. Hello, you want to know the maximum size of your what of your server, or you want to get access to some ASCII letter of your what of the server that you're working. Remember we said we have two kind of a server: the local server and the what and the production server, which you call the live what the live server. So let's see something here. What I'm going to pass here, let's see using what some PHP built-in function, using PHP what built-in function. Let's see some built-in functions in what in PHP. So let's say one of the built-in functions we have looked at define, we have looked at dump, we have looked at echo, we have looked at print, we have looked at print arrow, we have looked at insert, we have looked at uh, we have looked at a lot of built-in function here, but let's see the one that will give you a predefined record. If I say, for example, echo uh, sort, sort is to arrange either in ascending or what or descender. Let's say sort ASCII. Sorry, sort. Then what's going on here? Sorts. All right. Then another passing what ASCII. ASCII is just ASC. So let's say I echo something like this. If I echo something like this, remember my semicolon should be there. If I refresh my browser, what are you seeing? You are seeing what 4. All right. Why are you seeing 4 there? Because 4 is the ASCII. All right, is the ASCII constant. This is sort is a constant for what for 4. Let's assume that you are writing a program and you want to do 4 times something. Let's see something. Let's say I said num1 num1 equals to 20. All right, num1 equals to 20, and I said echo. All right, echo num1 asterisk this, num1 asterisk this. What are you saying? That's 20 times what 4. Is that not 80? So it means that sort ASC is a constant for 4, a built-in constant for 4 in PHP. We have another one called so let me put a break statement here. A break statement here so that BRO close here. So there's another one called echo. If I said echo, I pass in PHP something like let's say init is even there. You can see there are others here. INT, which is integer. Then I said what max. I said what max. If you run this program, refresh your browser, you can see this one now is a constant. This is a constant, and you can see that these are all the integer that you can get in any programming language. So integer number ranges from 0 to 9. You know, millions are combinations of what 0 to what to 9. Please let me give room for questions. Questions so far? Questions so far? So tomorrow I will try and still do a recap of all of this tomorrow. Is that okay? I will do a recap of all we have just looked at here tomorrow. So tomorrow we now be looking at writing some basic programming, some basic programming, like write a program to find the average of five number, write a program to find the area of a area of a rectangle, area of hemisphere, and stuff like that, using what? PHP. Please, any question? If you have a question, raise up your hand. I'm waiting though. If you have a question, raise up your hand. Hello, can you hear me? Please, can you hear me? Can you speak out? Let me know if you can hear me or not.
Yes, we can hear you.
All right, I
Alright,
am giving room for
I'm giving room
questions.
questions.
I'm giving room for
Okay,
questions. Then,
okay, I have a question, sir.
okay. Then by tomorrow we see. By tomorrow we'll be writing program proper, but it's just basic program, sha. All right, ask your question.
O- Okay, sir. The PHP is the one the latest programming language that normally people using at this age.
Yes, they use PHP. We also use Python. We use Python.
Hello,
Can you hear me?
sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello,
Can you hear me? I can hear you.
hello, sir. Hello.
Hello, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I said the PHP is it the one that latest programming language that people are normally using for now?
Yes, yes. These are the programming language they use
Okay,
for now. Let me count them for you so that they use for now they use JavaScript, they use PHP, they use Python. So PHP is part of
okay,
them.
okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Any other question? Any other question? Abubakar, you want to say something? Uh, Abubakar, you want to say something?
Yes,
Um,
sir.
all right, speak out.
Okay. When you find PHP and you start enrolling some codes and start showing you red lines, what does that mean?
It means there's error in your program. There is error.
Okay, there is an error in that coding.
Yeah, there's error in that code. You are not following the syntax.
Okay, I got it, sir.
Mohammed, are you with us? Mohammed, if you are with
Yes,
us,
sir.
Mama is here with us.
Yes, sir.
all right. Okay.
All right.
We
Okay.
we are giving room.
We
I'm
we
giving
are
room for
giving room.
questions.
Giving room for
Can
questions.
you ask your question?
Since you said you're going to do a recap by tomorrow, so
Yeah.
that's about it. It's only the last set, yes, about the defining. I'm a
Okay.
little bit confused there,
Okay.
but since you say you're going to do a recap tomorrow,
Okay.
so I think it's okay.
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 Thank you very much. The video
Thank you
is
very
also on
much.
the platform.
The video is also on the platform.
Yeah, we are, I saw it. All the links are open.
All right. Thank you. You
All
can
right.
mute your mic.
Thank you.
Then you can mute your mic.
Wamba Jerry, you want to say something?
Yes,
Let's hear
thank you,
you.
sir. Thank you for the opportunity.
You're welcome.
Yeah, sir, please. Yesterday when we had our first class, the instructor, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I'm with you.
Okay, the instructor actually introduced us to um, front end uh, development with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But the only thing he did was he directed us on how to install VS Code, and also he just explained literally
Mm.
the meaning of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and that was the end. Now, we were actually hoping for an in-depth practical or practice on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as the foundation of web dev. But we were even surprised to meet PHP today. So, how do we balance this? Because to an extent, we are even confused now. Which one do we follow? And because the other one was a kind of half baked. Now, this is the back end aspect of web dev. We didn't even understand the front end. How do we understand this one? How do we balance this so that we will not get confused? Because as a matter of fact, we are just confused now. I don't know if I'm only the one feeling this, but I know others are also feeling the same.
Okay,
Please.
okay. Let me answer you. Let me answer you. I don't know. I was not in the front end class. I don't know what the person, the instructor, told you about the front end. Yes, for a front end, you need HTML, you need CSS, and you also need JavaScript. Okay. Uh, you can't tell me that the person used the whole of the 3 hours to give you literal word, or the person did not do anything practical, or they never write any code for you to practice with or see. Okay, but today I was actually instructed to take you guys on back end, which is PHP. That's what I was instructed on. All right, so going forward, I will still be the one to take you guys tomorrow, but I was not told to take you guys HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if I'm going to take you guys tomorrow, is a continuation from where we stopped. Except they now said I should take you guys HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Tomorrow is going to be because right now I just introduced you guys to PHP. We see different variables, different data type, how they are being used. I've not actually written any program that you can say, oh, I wrote a program to do this, a program to do that. I just put you through everything. I said by tomorrow it's going to be a building block. You're going to write a program, but it's still going to be a very basic program. Is that okay? I'm working. They gave me an instruction to come here. So I don't know what happened yesterday. Okay. So that's just it. Did I answer your question, Easy?
It's a yes, sir. Thank you. It's all right, sir. Thank you so much.
Mohammed, can you speak out, please?
Yes, sir. The link that you posted on the group that you access to download it, the local server.
Yes.
Yes. I don't think I will want to use it to tomorrow. Yes,
Yes, please download it.
yes, please download it.
Download it and install. You
Download
need
it
to
and
use it to
install.
use it.
Okay. So can we run it?
Yeah, you can run it.
Yeah, you can run it.
You can run it. But remember
You can run it. But remember this.
if you are creating your file should
If
be
you are
pasted
creating your file should be posted
inside XAMPP. It's on the
inside
video.
exam. It's on the video. Okay.
Is that okay? Ahmed,
Ahmed,
do you have any question? All right.
Question that I have,
Okay.
the question that I have, this guy have already said it because yesterday I couldn't attend the lecture, and before I know, the guy finished before even 9. You see, you are up to almost 10 o'clock, but him, he did not reach that time, so I was even contemplating, did he do something? But till I had this
Because
my man now
because
saying he
because
only did theory.
because you can't tell me that I'll use the 3 hours to be talking about HTML and I will not do practical. I've not seen the video, Sha, but I don't know.
Yes, you should have asked the people that attend the class yesterday now, for you to be to verify.
Yes, when I came in, my boss asked me to take you guys on PHP, so I don't really know your foundation.
Mm.
Do you
Yeah, but
understand?
you should have do something help us because even me, I even bug him to send us the what's it called the recording. You couldn't up to now. He didn't send me the recording.
Well, you are the one that private chatted me now. I sent you HTML this thing, Abby. Somebody chatted me or to send something. I send you a link.
Yeah, yeah, I was the one.
Okay. Well, I was not the one that take you that class. Okay.
But this current one, have you sent it to?
Yes, I've dropped the document, the code there. I also send the code for you to go through for what we did today. Go through it again. Then I will drop a PHP link on the platform also so that you go there and read about PHP.
How many days will this whole tutorial take?
Uh, backend can take you it can take you 6 months. But this is
So
a
you
crash
mean,
course. It's just that I am being asked to take a crash course. So it's
yeah,
just to
I
introduce
understand.
you guys into it.
Yeah, that's what I want to know now. How many weeks are you going to take us the whole back end?
So today, tomorrow, I don't know if Monday is inclusive, but tomorrow I'll still take you guys tomorrow.
That would be it.
Tomorrow from 7 to 10.
I'll be entering late.
All right. So thank you very much. Let's have a nice day. All right. Bye.
All right, bye. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Oh,
Which is integer. Then I said what? Max. I said what? Max. If you run this program,